In the dynamic landscape of music technology, digital pianos continue to push the boundaries of innovation, merging traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge digital capabilities. As we step into 2024, the realm of digital pianos unveils an array of instruments that redefine performance, sound, and user experience. The market showcases a diverse selection catering to musicians of all levels and preferences, from industry giants to emerging contenders. The best digital pianos of 2024 epitomize a harmonious blend of authenticity and versatility, boasting advanced features such as weighted keys, high-resolution sound sampling, and sophisticated connectivity options. Whether you're a seasoned professional seeking concert-worthy performance or an aspiring musician delving into digital music, these instruments offer unparalleled expression and creativity. Join us as we explore the forefront of digital piano technology, where craftsmanship meets innovation to elevate musical experiences in the digital age. Roland FP-30X. The Roland FP-30X emerges as a standout contender in digital pianos, offering an exceptional blend of authenticity, versatility, and portability. At $760, this instrument redefines the mid-price portable piano category with its remarkable features and performance. At the heart of the FP-30X lies the PHA-4 standard keyboard, boasting 88 full-size keys with hammer action, escapement, and ivory feel. This keyboard delivers an authentic acoustic touch and tone, ensuring a sublime playing experience reminiscent of traditional acoustic instruments. Roland's supernatural sound engine further enhances the nuanced expression and dynamics, catering to experienced pianists and beginners alike. Despite its compact footprint, the FP-30X packs a punch with its powerful onboard stereo speakers, delivering impressive sound quality and character during performances. For added versatility, the instrument offers connectivity options such as dedicated output jacks for external powered speakers, Bluetooth audio for streaming music, and USB connectivity for interfacing with computers and recording tracks. Moreover, the FP-30X's advanced Bluetooth and USB features facilitate long-term learning and creativity. Users can stream music, play along with favorite artists, access online piano lessons, and even connect to music composition apps for enhanced productivity. Whether for home practice, performances, or recording sessions, the Roland FP-30X is a versatile and indispensable companion for musicians of all levels. Casio PX-870. The Casio PX-870 piano bundle is available for $999 from Austin Bazaar and is a comprehensive package that caters to aspiring pianists seeking an authentic grand piano experience. This flagship model from the renowned Previa line encompasses cutting-edge features, stylish design, and powerful sound projection capabilities, ensuring an immersive musical journey. The bundle includes essential accessories such as a furniture-style bench, instructional book, DVD, online lessons, and a polishing cloth, providing everything needed to embark on the piano-playing adventure. The PX-870 boasts various convenient features suitable for various environments, whether at home, in a studio, or elsewhere. With dual headphone jacks and a unique headphone mode, quiet practice sessions are effortlessly facilitated. Additionally, duet mode enables simultaneous play for student-teacher interactions, enhancing collaborative learning experiences. The piano's tri-sensor 2-scaled hammer action keys offer unparalleled expression, complemented by simulated ebony and ivory textures for an authentic touch. The award-winning Air sound source delivers lifelike piano tones with damper resonance and key action sounds, ensuring a rich and immersive playing experience. Furthermore, the PX-870's innovative sound projection system fills the room with detailed sound, replicating the acoustic ambience of a traditional grand piano. With features like concert play, MIDI recording, and music library access, the instrument provides ample performance, practice, and exploration opportunities. It is designed to complement any decor. The PX-870's sleek cabinet and intuitive controls make it a stylish addition to any room. Its compatibility with various devices via USB connectivity further enhances its versatility, making it a standout choice for pianists of all levels seeking excellence in performance and aesthetics. Kawai ES920. The Kawai ES920 is a pinnacle of excellence in portable digital pianos, offering an unparalleled blend of superior sound quality, advanced features, and sleek design. At $1,899, this instrument redefines expectations with its potent selection of acoustic piano sounds and a diverse range of instrumental tones, catering to various musical styles. It is equipped with a powerful stereo speaker system developed in collaboration with Onkyo audio specialists. The ES920 delivers crystal-clear sound reproduction and immersive tonal clarity. Its intuitive panel design and sharp OLED graphic display ensure effortless access to sounds and features, while the convenient 4-band EQ fadas provide enhanced control over the instrument's audio output. Bluetooth, MIDI, and audio connectivity further enhance the ES920's versatility, allowing for wireless enjoyment of various apps and seamless music streaming from smartphones or tablets. Wired connectivity options such as standard MIDI, USB, and line-in-out add to the instrument's flexibility, making it suitable for various performance and recording applications. Weighing just 37 pounds, the ES920 is remarkably lightweight yet sturdy, making it an ideal choice for musicians on the go. Its responsive Hammer 3 keyboard action with redesigned key switches ensures a responsive and authentic playing experience, while the updated virtual technician parameters and enhanced touch curve settings offer further customization options. With its modern design, cutting-edge features, and exceptional performance capabilities, the Kawai ES920 sets a new standard for portable digital pianos. Yamaha Arius YDP145. The Yamaha Arius YDP145 epitomizes the perfect blend of elegance, performance, and versatility in digital pianos. At $1,299, this instrument is designed to provide a superior playing experience that rivals that of an acoustic grand piano. At the heart of the YDP145 lies Yamaha's acclaimed CFX concert grand piano sound sample, renowned for its sparkling highs and resonant bass. This meticulously sampled sound ensures extraordinary expressive power and nuance, faithfully responding to the musician's touch with clarity and rich harmonic content. The YDP145's authentic acoustic piano playability is further enhanced by its graded hammer standard keyboard, which replicates the touch of an acoustic piano, from the naturally heavy feel in the lower keys to the lighter touch in the upper octaves. Including a half damper feature adds rich, expressive variation, allowing for nuanced performances. Innovative technologies such as virtual resonance modeling, light, and tone escapement construction contribute to the rich, powerful sound emanating from the instrument, replicating an acoustic piano's natural resonance and three-dimensional sound radiation. Furthermore, the YDP145 offers a rich variety of built-in voices and songs and intuitive operation facilitated by the Smart Pianist app. This app allows users to control various instrument functions, access built-in songs, and customize the tonal quality and resonance settings. The YDP145 is not only a musical instrument but also a stylish addition to any room. Its elegant design and various color variations suit different interiors and personal tastes. Whether for practice, performance, or leisurely playing, the Yamaha Arius YDP145 sets a new standard for digital pianos, offering an unparalleled musical experience for pianists of all levels. Kawai KDP120. The Kawai KDP120 digital piano represents a pinnacle of craftsmanship and innovation. It offers an unparalleled playing experience that rivals an acoustic grand piano. At $1,499, this instrument is an excellent introduction to Kawai's renowned digital piano quality, featuring cutting-edge technology and modern design aesthetics. At the core of the KDP120 lies Kawai's responsive Hammer Compact 2 Rich EI keyboard action, meticulously designed to replicate the touch and responsiveness of an authentic acoustic grand piano action. With grade-weighted hammers, a springless key mechanism, and a triple sensor key detection system, the Rich EI keyboard action ensures unparalleled responsiveness and expression. The KDP120 boasts a selection of stunning sounds, including the renowned Shigeru Kawai ES920 concert grand piano, reproduced through Kawai's harmonic imaging technology. All 88 keys of the ES920 were meticulously recorded and analyzed to deliver a rich and expressive playing experience. Furthermore, the KDP120 features a range of modern features such as Bluetooth MIDI technology, allowing seamless connectivity with smart devices for expanded functionality with various music applications. The instrument includes built-in music lessons, a song recorder, and a new modernized key cover appearance, enhancing functionality and aesthetics. With its compact design in premium rosewood, satin black, and satin white finishes, the Kawai KDP120 seamlessly blends into any home environment while offering an authentic feel, stunning sounds, and advanced connectivity options. Whether for practice, performance, or leisurely playing, the KDP120 sets a new standard for digital pianos, providing an exceptional musical experience at an attractive price point.